Hi everyone, I hope you're well. I hope you're enjoying the wonderful weather. My name's Elaine, I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and today I wanted to come and show you what I bought in my pre-order. So this is going to be a very short video because I didn't order that very much, but what I ordered, well, you'll see. Coming up I may order a little bit more, but I'll just show you what I got in my stash this time round. So I'm going to turn my camera down and show you what I got. So the first thing I got was the Embossing Additional Tool Kit. Everyone wants one of these. It keeps the project clean, work surface tidy, and hands at a safe distance while you're heat embossing. You can use these tweezers. You just put them. Gosh, this is so good. While you're heat embossing, you don't get your fingers burnt. So that's a good, very good, quite good, strong, powerful tweezers. These are. The brush is when you kind of want to dust off your work, dust off your work. I have to give you a little demonstration of that. And of the heat embossing, again, we say, is when you just want to take all the static off your card. But there you go with that kit. It's a worthwhile kit to get. The next thing I purchased was the Very Occasions bundle, which you get this nice trio bundle. I don't know if it would take the place of the other trio punch, but I'm going to give it a whirl because I do like punches. So as you can see on here, the different shapes that comes up there. Hopefully should use that on my next book. But also what's good about this bundle is the sentiments on here. Love you, mean it, you know, thinking of you, my life is happier, sending you. And there's also a little Christmas. If you're not really wanting to buy anything Christmassy, there is a Christmas sentiment on there also. So there's quite a few sentiments that can cover a lot of things. So that was one of the reasons why I bought this bundle. Right. What's next, you say? Well, I bought the Very Splendid bundle. But I'm sorry guys, but I had to use some of this paper already. So I want to show you this copper and the other side of that. Look at that, it's so pretty. Sorry, it's been cut already because I've been trying to make some stuff with that. But look at some of the things on there. The little ladybird. Looks like a ladybird. Yeah, ladybird on there. And that's the other side. It's really pretty paper. As I said, I've been using some of this already, so forgive me for that. But you will see the products of what I've been making. I don't know which video, but I will show you. It's really pretty. This is silvery. Look at that. And that's the other side. Really pretty paper. That's it. So that, and also you get these nice little trinkets that come in the container. Look at that. That looks pretty, doesn't it? Yeah. And then the lovely ribbon. Pretty ribbon. Really nice to tie as well. But I'm sure you're wanting to know, where is the stamp set? Where is the die? As I said, I've used this already, so that's what the stamp set looks like. Sorry about that. As I said, I've been using that already. So it looks really gorgeous, doesn't it? So yes, I've been using that already, so I can't wait to show you what I've created with that. Right, so in this time, starting from the 1st of July, we have celebration. So I'm going to show you a couple of the two things that I got free because I spent over £45. So every £45 you spend, you get a something free. So I spent more than £45, so I got this called Hippiest Hippos. Isn't that sweet and cute? And with that, I got the die set. So I'm gonna try and do some colouring in some of my videos showing you techniques with that. Let's get this out of the pack because I haven't opened it up yet. So if you're new to my channel, thank you for joining. Oh, please stay to the end. As I said, it's like catching up. Look, so you can almost carry everything and more. Wow. I'm going to give this a whirl. Please remind me, folks. Please leave a comment in the box and tell me what you like. But as I said, I didn't buy very much out of the pre-order at all this time. So that's what you can get. SALE-a-bration, as I said, starting, if you're not a demonstrator already, then from the 1st of July, for a customer, you can order £45 or more. I will leave links in the bottom. But here's the piece of resistance. It's called Making Plans, and it comes as a bundle. I told you if you waited to the end. And I'm going to open this one up. Let me adjust my screen so you can get a better view. Ooh, that's it. It's a bit better. Adjust my screen because this comes in 3 parts. And it's an enormous planner. It is gorgeous. So if you've been wanting to buy a planner, this would be an ideal thing to get. It's like a leatherette feel. Comes well packaged, I'm telling you. You've got sort of like your little ruler thing here. And it comes with wads and wads of paper. Look at that. So, as I said, let me open this up with you. I didn't want to open it up until I've done the recording. So yeah, will be an ideal gift for someone looking for a planner. Starts in July. But as I said, it's like a wallet. You can put your credit cards, your business cards in there. So yes, each one's got like a monthly focus on the first sheet. So you get that. And then it starts with the calendar, September, right through to next year. So I hope that they keep that up. March 22. What else have we got? Priorities. So if you're a demonstrator, or no, even if you're not a demonstrator, it's still wonderful. Priorities, weekly priorities. You know, you make goals. Sometimes, I always say making goals doesn't mean you have to complete them. It just means that you try and do 1 or 2 things from there. We sometimes put ourselves under a lot of pressure. Review, reflections, you know. So, tell me what you think, because it really looks really lovely, doesn't it? I think this works out at 40-something pounds. Or, as I said, I will put this together and show you how I put it together, but I won't do that right now. But it's got plenty of sheets, it's got index pages. Well, it's beautiful, and it's wipeable, these sheets. Yeah, tell me, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, press the alarm bell so you can get alerted when I do my next videos. But I love your support. I love that you're here with me while I'm waffling on. Look at all those stickers. I know like some of you like stickers. So there's plenty of stickers in there. Oh, and there's more. It's like 3 parts. It comes up 3. Oh, I tell you, notebook. And I know some of you like notebooks. These are really pretty, these notebooks. This one's a plain one. The second one, it's got dots in it, so I don't know if you like sketching. Some people like writing on dotted paper. And the third one's lined. So this is really, really nice. It's worth the bundle. So that is all I purchased. Not to say that I'm afraid to say, but that's all I purchased. Let me go back to my face now. As I said, I showed you my pre-order. Oh gosh, you can see the wire now. This is all messed up, but hey ho. As I said, with the planner. But today, I want to, 2022, 21st of June 2022, today is free shipping. So take advantage of that. You have a minimum spend of £60. And for those in Europe, it's 75 euros. That's one thing. So that's a good time to stock up with any stuff that you need. But you know what? Take advantage of the free shipping, no matter how big, you know, but as I said, not how big or small. Make sure you spend £60 or more. It's worth it. Because, you know, shipping now is £6.95, so this is the time to stock up. The next thing I wanted to say, if you want to join my team and you join on the 1st of July, you can get that planner for free. So who wouldn't want to take advantage of that? So that's an extra little thing if that's what you want to do in this 1st of July 2022. Join the team and you can get that planner for free. So that's all I've got to say for you today, folks. Thank you for joining my channel. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment. I love you if you do that. And I'll see you soon when I do something simple, I think. I don't know. But hey ho. Speak to you soon, guys. Bye for now.